Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually discussing about data types. So in the previous video, we have discussed about undefined and null. So today we'll discuss about Boolean and number data types. So in the Boolean data type, we have Boolean primitive and Boolean object. So let's jump into the code. What is meant by Boolean? So let's see. First, I will create one condition called if. So in that if condition, I am giving a console log and I am trying to print one string. Okay. So what we did here, we have created a if condition. For this condition, we have to give some statement, right? So that's why I'm giving it true. So what we can expect now, the console. We are getting the console as if value. So what it means, what we did. So here you can understand we have created a if condition, of course, and we have passed a statement called true. So what is related to the Boolean? So Boolean is nothing but a conditional statement. Okay, a Boolean is means conditional statement. It is two types. One is true and another one is false. Okay. Then what about the Boolean primitive? In the previous video, we have discussed about primitives, right? Primitive means inbuilt. So the JavaScript has inbuilt statements called true and false. So that's why these true and false we can call as Boolean primitives. I hope you understood about this first one. So the Boolean object. What about that? So let's see. I will create one object and I will create new word and I will use this Boolean method. In that method, I will give the true. Okay, and then I will console dot log. We have to know the type of that variable v1. Okay, then the value also. Line number 91. So line number 91 is printing data type as a object and the value we are getting as a object. In that object we are getting value true. What happened here? You can see here we are getting object here and the value true and the data type is object. That's why we are calling this Boolean as object Boolean. Okay, this one also there in JavaScript. Okay, then why we need this? What is the use of this method? Okay, in this condition I will give v1 directly and here v1 will print. Let's see line number 93. So line number 93 is printing. Okay, okay, then I will try with false. So that time also it is printing even though the object has the false value. So you have to understand one thing. So whenever you use this, you won't get anything. This is useless, this method. Okay, but every time why this if condition got executed even when we are giving anything here? Because we are using new word, right? New keyword. The new keyword converting it makes a object actually. Okay, wherever you use this new keyword, it will make an object, and we are using Boolean as a constructor. So it is making an object and the value is false. Okay, and that object we are passing as a statement in this if condition. Whenever you are passing any object which is having a value or empty value, that time that object will convert into a true value. Okay, true statement. So this point you have to remember. So wherever you are trying to use the object as a conditional statement, that time every time always that object will convert into a true. Okay, and let's go to the next concept, v2. For this I will directly use this Boolean method. In that I will pass the true value and I will cut this entire thing. Okay, I'll copy and I'll paste here and I will change the variable names. Sorry, v3, no, v2. See what we are getting here. So we are getting v2 is getting printed. Okay. And sorry, here also we have to change in this console. Then only we can get to know what is happening with line number 95. So line number 95 is getting executed and it is data type is Boolean and the value is true. Okay. That's why the if block is getting executed and printing this one. So I will change this true into false. We'll see what will happen. Now also we are getting Boolean data type and value we are getting false. That's why this if condition is not getting executing. Okay. Okay. Then what is the use of this method? So whenever you are building any application, if you have a requirement like whatever the data type is there, if you want to convert that into a Boolean, you can use this method. See, I will show you how to do that. See, I'm giving as a string here. So I will remove this false. I will give a random name. Okay, random string I have given. So we'll see what will happen. So it is Boolean data type and converting into a true statement. I hope you understood about this method, the use of this method. And there is one more method we can use that also to convert any data type into Boolean. And I am passing now some string. You can use anything here, okay? Not only a string. So it is v3, right? Copy, paste. Two times printed, okay. v3, v3. So we'll see. So v3 also getting printed, line number 98, and data type is Boolean and it is converting true. Okay. So these two methods we can use to convert any data type into Boolean. I hope you understood about the Boolean and under that what is Boolean primitive and Boolean object. Thank you.